Did you know that with just one transition, you can already create something like this? I suggest you watch this video until the end so you won't miss any information. Let's get started. First, click on Custom Size, then set the width to 1920 and the height to 1080. Just make sure the unit is set to pixels. Then click Create New Design. Once it's ready, go to Elements and search for a background. Head over to Photos where you'll find lots of options. After choosing, right-click and select Set Image as background. Next, go back to Elements and search for Circle. Under the Alt tab, pick a shape, then resize it. Now we'll add our main subject. For this tutorial, our subject is pizza. Go to Photos to find a realistic image. Once you've chosen one, resize it and arrange it around the circle. I used for types of pizza here to show you how it works, but this is just an example. You can use any product you want. Once arranged, click the circle shape, go to Transparency, and set it to 0. Highlight everything, then click Group. Move the grouped elements to the left and enlarge them. Add your text, for example, pepperoni flavor, and choose the Anton font. Then add a description below and pick a font style that matches your theme or concept. You can also upload your own pictures, like ingredients, to make the design more eye-catching. Now I'll show you how to add a blur effect to an image. Go to Edit, then under Effects, find and click Blur. Choose Whole Image, then adjust the intensity. I also added more ingredients to make it look more creative. After that, click Show Page Thumbnails at the bottom. This is where we'll animate the title and description. On the right side, there are many animation styles to choose from. For effects, I chose the neon effect and adjusted the intensity. You can also change the color to match your theme. We'll also animate the background ingredients, just pick effects that match your design. For this part, I used the tectonic animation. Once you're done with the first page, right-click the page and select Duplicate Page. On the second page, rotate the main image to reveal the second one. Since we're on the second pizza, change the flavor and description as well. Just follow the video until the end to see the final result. Whatever you did on page 1 and 2, repeat the same process for page 3 and 4. It's very easy to do. While working on your layout, always remember to keep things clean and simple. Avoid using too many fonts, stick to just 1 or 2 that match your theme. Also, choose high-quality images because they make your design look more professional. Don't forget to maintain proper spacing between elements to keep everything balanced and easy to look at. Using a consistent color palette helps unify your whole design. And here's an important one: make sure your text is always readable. If your background is too busy, try adding a semi-transparent shape behind the text or adjust the contrast. White space is also your friend. It gives your design room to breathe and avoids clutter. Just keep it simple, clean, and aligned with your concept and you're good to go. Also, think about the flow of your layout. Guide the viewer's eyes naturally by using alignment and hierarchy, meaning the most important elements should stand out the most. Use bold fonts or bright colors to highlight key details like product names or features. Lastly, preview your design before finalizing. Sometimes, what looks good while editing may feel different when viewed as a whole. A few small adjustments can make a big difference. Then, once you've completed all 4 pages, you'll see an Add Transition button between page 1 and page 2. Click on it, and on the left side, choose the Match and Move transition. Then, just adjust the duration to 1.5 seconds, scroll down, and click Apply between all pages. If you like this video tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.